Hello and welcome. I'm at the CMT trade fair in Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this vehicle here. It's a side bed Fiat Ducato campervan, and this is going to cost 68,641 euro, 6 meter vehicle, the on tour van. Now this one here, let's just sit in the corner down there and admire it a bit. Now it does look like every other Fiat Ducato campervan in a way, except for two things. The style's a bit different, and this Fiat Ducato campervan is on a Citroen jumper, so we've got that to start off with. And the second thing is, though, it does look a little bit cut above the average, and when looking for the Fiat Ducato campervan, albeit on a Citroen jumper, then you might want to choose based on internal style. So, and this, I think it has a homely appearance to it. Okay, so we've got the bed at the back. It's a big bed. It's using up a lot of space over here. We've got storage above, as you'd expect, and we've got a daft ledge below, which may be impinging on head height when sitting up in bed, although of course there is a window there, so if you want to sit up in bed you have to do it there. And or you might want to do it, which I did in my motorhome, so I did it against there, but it's possibly not the effect you're wanting to have. Shelf up there with a flower in, and it looks great in the campsite, but it's or a fair like this, but it's not very practical. The ledge up there is a bit better. This thing here is really pointless in my opinion. You've got losing all of that potential for storage, genuine storage, by just dropping this down here, if that is to be used, or alternatively getting rid of it altogether. Note there isn't one on that side. Kitchen blocks really good, nice and long. We've got here a sink, we've got here a pan, and we've got here two burners. Oh, see, I'm doing something better with the light in here. Sorry. Oh no, that's it, I'm afraid. Yep, we're not going to get any better light than that. And we've got down here drawers. Here's a sort of a wardrobe. You can also put shelves in it. You can't see it very clearly. And in here we have got, look at the door. You see the handle? It's more unusual. There we have nice largish washroom. What about this here though? Next, look, the ledge is it's not deep at all. This stuff here is, that's unlikely to fall out, but I suppose it could end up falling out. Down there, nice large duckboard. Can't stand these curtains. Don't think anybody else can either. Table's quite large, forward facing bench, storage all the way around. Now this comes with the option up here of a skylight. As you can see, this one hasn't got one. When I came in, I thought that looks quite nice, but then when I started seeing it a bit more detail, I've gone off it. So it says there it's a prototype on tour 600 FT. It doesn't mean 600 feet. 4 belter positions. You can make another extra bed up in the semi-dinette if you want. And there's your standing height, 190 centimeters. So I'm 175. I felt quite comfortable in there. Citroen jumper. And here we've got some of the features of the rear. So we've got here a large gas cabinet. If it doesn't open first, you press it around here like that. It usually opens it. So this is a really good feature. This will come out. Unfortunately, I can't do it with one hand, but this comes out. Allows you to put the gas on quite easily. Just have to lift them on. You don't have to sort of maneuver yourself around. What's under here? There you go. This can move to one side, as you can tell, and you could then have a lot of storage space underneath. Close this, note in the door, blinds, not insulated, rear door. Mind you, hardly anybody insulates the rear door. There's vans costing twice as much as this one with no rear door insulation. So that's what I'm calling the typical Fiat Ducato layout. Since COVID times, many companies have also used the jumper and the boxer as well. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. It's sort of very much a run-of-the-mill camper van with no thrills. And so thanks for watching, and bye for now.